Namaste and hello to everyone. Welcome back to Edvitos. In today's video, we are going to talk about different ways to say sorry. SORRY. Sorry, a very small yet really meaningful word. Sorry is used when you make a mistake, right? But sometimes we overuse it and it becomes meaningless. So there are different ways to say sorry according to the situation or according to the mistake you have done. So you should use sorry like you own it, right? It should not become meaningless. So we will talk about this in our video today. But before we start our video, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please like, share and comment. So, sorry, if you want to apologize for small problems, right? So, like, let's say, for example, you're walking on the road and you hit someone by mistake, right? So, at that time, we can just say, my mistake, or oh, my mistake, or my apologies. So, for small problems, you can use these expressions. But if you want to make it less formal, like you want to make it like you're really less formal, you can just say my bad. For example, my bad, it won't happen again. So for smaller problems, for something that you just want to say sorry, it was not big a deal but still you want to say sorry for it, so you can use these three expressions. If you want to be more meaningful, now you have done something really bad to someone, you want to show them that how sorry you're feeling, so at that time you can use I owe you an apology, or I want to apologize for, or I want to apologize to. So you need to give reason, to whom are you apologizing and for what reason are you apologizing. It is very important to explain why you are apologizing, so that the other person who is listening to your apology should feel that you're really feeling sorry about it. Okay? Now, to show how deeply sorry you are, for example, let's say you have done something really bad to someone and you now want to show them that how deeply bad you're feeling about it and how deeply sorry you're feeling about it. So at that time you can say, I sincerely apologize for my behavior, or for my actions, or for the trouble I have caused. So you need to explain the whole situation here, that I'm feeling sorry about the whatever bad you have done to them. Or you can just say I take full responsibility for. So you need to show them that you're deeply sorry and you are taking the full responsibility of whatever has been done. Okay, now let's think of more significant problem. If you want to apologize for something you did, maybe professionally, something that you really regret, your mistake has resulted in a significant problem for your customer or your company. So in these situations you need more formal language. Okay, so here if you want to show how deeply sorry you are formally, so you can say I sincerely apologize for my behavior, or for my actions, or for the trouble that I have caused. So these two terms can be used where you are apologizing deeply, also formally. Okay, now we might take it to another level. For example, you can say I'm embarrassed about what has happened, I'm ashamed of my behavior, I'm really embarrassed. So if you want to, these four terms, these three terms and the other two terms, total five terms can be used when you're feeling deeply sorry about something. Also, if you want to say sorry formally, like at your office or at your workplace, wherever you're working, right? So these kind of expressions are used in very serious situations, formally or professionally, whatever way you want to use. Okay, So basically, these all were the terms that I wanted to talk about to you, but I'm going to end the video with a little quotation here. Sometimes saying sorry is the most difficult thing on earth, but it's the cheapest thing to save the most expensive gift called relationship. You know, you must have seen people these days, and even kids these days, they don't say sorry. I don't know why. See, saying sorry will not make you a small person, or it won't make you you know, the one who always does the wrong. No. Sometimes, if you say sorry, please say it just to save the relationship. So relationship can be with your teachers, it can be with your parents, it can be with your siblings, it can be with your friends. So saying sorry is the cheapest thing you can do to save your relationship. And whenever you feel that you have done something wrong, whenever you feel that you might have hurt someone's feeling, please don't take a second to, you know, to say sorry and save your relationship. So I'll end my video here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Edvitos. I'll be back soon with a new video for you all. Bye bye.